Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening the recycle bin so you can act immediately. Double-click the icon or use File Explorer. You should sort items, for example, by date deleted because that narrows results fast. Once you see candidates, preview files or check properties to confirm content, and make sure to note file size and original location. This helps decide whether to restore or permanently remove. Don't pause. Choose an item to restore or delete next. You now decide, restore or permanently delete. Right-click a file and choose Restore so it returns to its original folder. This preserves links and permissions. Once done with several files, use Shift-click or Control-click to select batches, because bulk actions save time. If you need space, choose Empty Recycle Bin. Make sure to review contents first, since that action is irreversible. Also, consider sorting by size to remove large files and reclaim disk space quickly. You finish by checking advanced settings and troubleshooting common issues. Go to Recycle Bin Properties to set maximum size per drive. This prevents auto-deletion of older items. If Restore fails, make sure you have permission for the original folder, and once done, try File History or your backup system. If an item is missing entirely, run chkdsk or reputable recovery software immediately. Because continued writes reduce recovery chances, act fast to maximize success.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.